Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are preparing to make seafood okra. So I got all this live crab in the market because today was open market, and this looks like periwinkle, but it's not periwinkle. It's like a snail, but it doesn't slime like snail. So first thing I have to do is to pour hot water on the crab, and I washed it. I cleaned it properly before I put it in my soup. So this is, I don't know what the name of this, if you know the name of this seafood, just let me know in the comment section. I saw it in the market, and I bought it, and the thing is very nice. It has taste. It give any food that you want to use it to cook, it give it a very nice taste. So let's dive into this video. Seafood okra is one of my favorite, so let's dive into this video. Here I got some ice fish, some crabs, and some seafood. So I'll go ahead and add salt, chicken seasoning, oregano, paprika, and some dried parsley. So I'm going to add water, and I'll cook it for 15 minutes or until everything is soft enough. So here I have my bell pepper. I'm going to chunk them, and I'll chunk the okra. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. As for me, this is how I love my seafood okra. So here are the seafood. I'll go ahead and bring out all the fish and set aside. So here is the bell pepper. I'm going to blend them, and I'll be adding scotch bonnet pepper and crayfish. I'll go ahead and chunk the okra. In another saucepan, I'll be adding olive oil. Then I'll go in with the blended pepper and crayfish. So I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll add salt and vegetable seasoning. Then I'll stir it properly. Then I'll cook for more 2 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with the sauce inside our seafood pot, and I'll stir it properly. Then after that, I'm going to add the okra, and I'll stir it. Then I'm going to cover it to cook for more 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and add some fresh vegetables, which is spinach, to give it a final touch. And just like that, our seafood okra soup is ready. So rich, flavorful, and delicious. If I've never tried seafood okra soup before, this is your sign to make it. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tasty and delicious food from Cheesy Delish Kitchen. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time in my next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao.